What's up guys, today we're going to be making an incredibly nutritious and easy hemp milk. If you don't have any hemp seed on hand, I'll leave an Amazon link to the brand I use in the description. Add 1 tablespoon of hemp seed to a tall blender cup, followed by 1/2 cup of water or coconut water like I'm using, and you're going to go in with your stick blender. We've used it multiple times on this channel and it's easily one of the most useful tools that I have in my kitchen. For only 20 bucks you can have your own. I'll leave you guys an Amazon link. Strain it using your straining method of choice, but remember this step is optional. I usually don't strain it at all and it works fine in every recipe that I've ever used it in. And here it is guys, you can confidently use this anytime a recipe calls for milk. I actually use this milk in these cookies. I'm gonna upload that video later tonight and I'll link you in the description when I do. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this content, leave a like, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.